Hey, everyone! Today I want to talk about CapCut and why it's finally getting the recognition it deserves. So, let me start by saying this: CapCut is the real deal when it comes to video editing. Now, before you jump to conclusions, let me explain why CapCut is actually better than After Effects. The thing is, After Effects is a professional software used by experts for complex video editing tasks. But what about CapCut? Well, CapCut is a user-friendly app designed for beginners, and all you need to do is drag and drop your clips to create a stunning video. CapCut offers a plethora of features that make video editing a breeze. From adding text, stickers, and filters to adjusting the speed of your video, CapCut has got it all. Plus, it's fully responsive and works seamlessly on both mobile and desktop devices. Now, let's talk about the future. CapCut has a bright future and is constantly evolving to meet the needs of its users. They've added new features like LUTs lookup tables, which allow you to perfectly match the color temperature of your video. And the list of features is still growing. In conclusion, CapCut is definitely worth giving a try. It's better than After Effects in every sense of the word. From its user-friendly interface to its plethora of features, CapCut has got it all. So, what are you waiting for? Download CapCut today and experience the difference for yourself.